hopefully this thing don't fade in and fade out, because the light, it wants to focus on the light back there and it gets fade out and you can't see me, and then the curtain stops blowing, and then all of a sudden you see clearer me. Thing is, you can't see me. Well, anyway, I'll just do it like this. See, that's me. If the camera picked it up right. How to solve a Rubik's Cube. David Seth and a guy named Gary, I think, in our church. He, and others, Rachel Hogmeyer, they all want me to teach them, put a video on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I said, okay, I'll put it on YouTube. See, you get, some like to solve and like to cross, but there's another guy that does like I do too. The corners. I want to mix the cube up. It doesn't matter what color you pick. If you want to pick one that's got more colors on it, but it doesn't matter. These are called corners. These are called edge pieces. They're metal edge pieces. The corner has 1, 2, 3 colors, and you match them to their centers. The edge pieces only have 2 colors. The middle has got 2 colors. The bottom corner is the same as the top corners here. 1, 2, 3. And the edges are the same thing. 2 colors. Okay, I'll just pick a color, let's say blue. You use the center for blue. If you have a picture cube, then the center rotates a lot, which would, all these centers would be like a clock or something, and you have to do a different lintogram to get those centers right and do that as pattern without messing what you did up. I usually play around with it, but then eventually I get it right. But the Rock's kids, Kenny and Diane's kids, when they were younger, they handed me a Christmas one, and with Jesus help, I was able to get it done. I had Christmas trees on it, Santa Claus, and Christmas bells on it, and other things I can't remember, but it was pretty neat. Alright, let's see, blue. Alright, there's blue up here, but you might find it down here too, but let's see, this is the blue, red, yellow. So, look for a center yellow and a red. So we know when we turn this, that matches perfectly. That matches perfectly. And you know blue is your top. Now, this is gotta look for a white, orange. Here's the white, here's the orange. So what I do is, I bring this down and turn it away and bring what you did back up. Then I see it's gotta go here, because that center matches. So, this is the blue, and the orange is here, so I turn it this direction, then I bring this down, and bring this over, and I turn up. Now that's right to its center. Well, whatever that, yeah. And that's right to its center. Okay, and now I'm looking for the red and white. Where is that red and white? It's probably somewhere on the bottom. Right here. But it's not the blue. So I'm going to take this blue and put it where it needs to go. This is a white. No, that's a yellow. So yellow is here. Blue is here. The orange matches. So I'll turn this away. Bring this back and down. And see how this matches like a Mickey Mouse ears or a letter V. I don't know if you can see it. It's like Mickey Mouse ears, or the face of Mickey and his ears, or the letter V the other way. Anyway. Now, see, that's right. This one, I gotta find blue here. Like, blue's on the bottom. So, because if it's a left or a right, it doesn't matter either. But since it's on the bottom, this is not the color, but it goes over here though. So I could do it. I take it where it's empty here, and I.
Billy?
Huh?
What do you want for lunch?
And I bring it way over here, and I bring what I did back up.
You called him?
No.
Oh, Billy, see what he wants for lunch.
I guess kidney beans would be good.
Kidney beans? Okay.
And then bring this over here, and you can see that that's gonna come and meet it, and always bring up what you do. There we go. And then now you got the corners right. Once you can get that part done, then you do the bottom corners, and that's a whole different ball game. But let's see, there's patterns you do. I look for either vertically or diagonally. They could be color line or in the right place, but not color line. Don't matter. Okay, that's a red. No, oh yeah, it is. That's a red, that's a white, and that's a green. That's right. Is this one right? No, let me check over here. No, how about diagonally? No. See, that's what you gotta do, gotta keep checking. But when you're solving it, you go fast. It's like riding a bike. Once you know how to do it, you can do it. No, you know what you're looking for. Muscle memory. Like I told PJ and Alex, muscle memory. When you're doing magic tricks, Rubik's Cubes, or Rubik's Cube magic tricks, it's muscle memory, sleight of hand, even stage illusions. Okay. Even if you're in school trying to remember all your spelling words with practice, your muscle memory, your brain will remember it. It's the way God does, makes your brain want to learn. Alright. Okay, that was right. So I'm doing it slow. I would have found it already. I look over here. Nope. Okay, the green's here, orange here, yellow here. There's a one over here. No, there's a one over here. No, there's a die. Hang on. Yeah. It goes there, there, there. So I leave those there like that. These two gotta switch. And I make, since I'm the blue to top again, I turn this way, and bring what I did back up. Turn this way, and I'd do it twice. Once, twice, bring what I did back down, bring what I bring back down, bring to make it over, up, and then do once. See, that keeps that there, and see, that keeps that lined up, and that's in color line in position there. If it was vertically, then you would do a once, twice. Anyway, this part of it is part of the James G. Norris book, soft cover, The Simple Solution to the Rubik's Cube. 5 easy steps. The bottom part, even the patterns that I'm doing. Except for one pattern, I found a way to cut myself any time. Even he says, when you play around with it, you'll find ways to cut yourself any time. And even for the middles, it was a hard routine, but it will work. But I found a way to cut myself any time. That's what speed cubers do too. They find ways to cut themselves any time, and magicians do the same thing. Illusionist magicians. Alright. Let's see. I look at the center to know what pattern to use. Here, 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 here. This is still the simple solution one. I see that it's like this. I keep the top, and I just do this. I'm sitting there talking, not even paying attention to what I'm doing. I might have messed up. I think I did. I might have to solve this again. Let's see how much did I mess it up. Maybe I didn't mess it up. Oh, it's going to do my pattern here. Ding, ding. See how it's over here? Ding, ding, there. I know this one. This is my pattern. You just help me figure out. Because with the pattern that James E. Norris says, you'd have to do that twice to get it solved. But I found a pattern where I do it this way. I go twice, twice, bring that up, bring this over, bring this down, bring this over, and then all that's done. But I need to find that other pattern, because you'll find a lot of patterns. That's still the pattern. This is the pattern I should have did. There, see how it's on the top, and if I do it right, see, it gets done that way. Okay, now we work the tops. The blues could be in here, or it could be on the bottom, or in the middle. Okay, blue, orange. So we'll put it where the orange is. If the orange was here, then you would just do this. But since it's not, you turn it either right or left, it don't matter. You just move those away, meet that, and bring what you did back. Alright, this is the blue-red, so you see that's going to match. Either put it here or here, it don't matter. Making the letter T. Now see, here's the blue, white, it's got to go here. This is where you got to turn it like this. Bring it down to meet it up. And bring what you did. And then, this is the, okay, it's on this side, so we bring it over here and do the same thing to meet it. And bring it back up, and then turn it where that meets that, all around. Okay, now work the middles. This is another pattern I came across. Here's helped me come across. James E. Norris has his version. It's a long, more process, but it works. But like he says, if you play around with it, you'll find ways to cut yourself in time. I used to play around with that idea with the 4x4 Rubik's Revenge, and somehow the thing got done, so I mixed it up again and did it again. I wish I wrote down the pattern because I done forgot. There's a guy on YouTube that jarred my memory. He does something like me. Anyway, but I don't got a Rubik's Revenge because it seems like the ones I get, they fall apart easy compared to a Rubik's Cube. Anyway, see this go, see the red matches up here, and that part goes, you can see how that matches. So what you do is turn this way over on this side, and then turn the top to the on the side on the right, and you can, and you see, now see how I got, where was I? Oh, blue. I'm looking for the yellow. Oh, and bring the yellow up to where it needs to go here, and you go up, up, bring it so it matches it, bring back what you did, bring this back over here, and bring what you did back up. And there, that's there. When you do that pattern, it also brings one down if you have to, because you need to put it down to put it in. Even if it's in the right place, but it's not color line, you do the pattern to bring it down. Now see, the orange is on this side and not on the bottom. So you do this number, you put the top off to the left. And you do the same similar idea, but you're doing it in the other direction. Doing away, bring what you did back, then bring what, and then bring this up to match up the top. So you're gradually getting it done. See, this is, see if it matches, and you go over to the right and do it. Well, I know what I'm doing if I keep track. Alright, now I'm looking for red. There it is. It comes over here. It'll be like riding a bike when you do this. Okay, it's halfway done. You got the top and the center part. It's a coincidence this side got done like a three thing. But anyway, if you get a pattern like this, I used to do a long process, but I found a shortcut. It's right here, so I do a pattern. I keep one color off to the side. Yeah, it's this one, the red. See, the blue's over here, and I turn it over off to the side. And I do this pattern because it needs to go, it's right here. So what I do is, I turn it like this. I think that's what I do. I don't know, I can't remember. I know what I'm doing, but I can't think straight. Oh, there we go. I know what it is. I put the blue top, scratch what I said before. You take the top that you're working with and all the centers, you put it in back of you, and the two colors that are there in position, but not color line, towards you, and then a solid color towards this way, alright? And you just bring this up, bring this down off there, bring that over here. See, I know what I'm doing, but I can't think straight. Then I bring this over here. Then I bring what I did back. Then I bring this over, then up. And then I can see that goes there, so. And it's done. If that color was on this side, then I'd do the same thing in the opposite direction. I would bring it over this way and come over the other way. The same concept. In other words, if it's over here, if it's over here to go here, this goes over here, then I would go this direction, I think. Yeah. And if I go on this way, oh, okay, yeah, that's the same one I did. But if I go up to the left, then it needs to go over that way. So,
Really?
huh? Okay. Anyway, well, you get the idea. And there's more patterns to learn for the bottom.